In his dialogue with Laertes, Claudius shows how manipulative he is. Claudius showed his manipulative nature while getting Laertes to seek revenge on Hamlet. Claudius is a smart, well-spoken man, which shows and helps him manipulate Laertes. When Claudius receives the letter acknowledging that Hamlet is back in Denmark, he seizes the opportunity to coax Laertes into revenge. Firstly, in his speech that ultimately persuades Laertes, Claudius says, "Not that I think you did not love your father, but I know love is begun by time, and that I see in passages of proof." Claudius suggests that not to act would be evidence of him not loving his father, which is manipulating Laertes because now he feels he must act to prove his love for his father. Claudius continues, saying, "Time qualifies the spark and fire of it. There within the very flame of love, a kind of wick or snuff that will abate it." This implies the idea that over time a candle's wick will burn down, as well as Laertes' feelings for his father. This is why Claudius wants Laertes to act as soon as possible, when his feelings are fresh and raw. A candle will burn down on its own, but a snuff requires action, and to get closure on his father's death, he needs to take action against Hamlet. These are the ideas that Claudius is putting into Laertes' head, proving and revealing that Claudius has a manipulative and dangerous nature. This also signified a major change in the plot, because now Hamlet will need to kill Laertes in the fencing duel before he is able to fulfill his revenge by killing Claudius. Overall, Act 4 of Hamlet was significant for the plotline as well as the furthering of the reader's understanding of the characters. Thank you.